Alright, here's an unknown Hampton Bay ceiling fan at my dad's friend's house. It's white and brass, and it's got the bleached oak on the other side. And don't know what year this fan was installed, and I don't know when it was made. The light kit, this is the switch for the light, and this is the switch for the fan. Here's a Honeywell thermometer. But yeah. Anyways, I'll go ahead and turn on the light on for you. So, yep, here it is. This is the light. Okay. Yep. And I'll start off on low. Motor. Yeah, I kind of forgot what model name it is. So, but anyways. Now we'll put it up to medium. Here's the airband on the ceiling. And high. It has a little shake on it, but though you don't see it on camera, but with my own eyes I can see it shake. Top shot. Light. I'll put it in reverse. I'm doing it for the video. Hold on. Looks like the verse which is broken, but oh well. Anyway, I'll show you real quick. It's for light. It's the one for the fan. But yeah, I'll turn off the light. Okay. So yeah, so thank you for watching, guys.